Hello, welcome to today's tutorial on how to pay your application fees when applying to Northwestern Polytechnical University NPU. So after you have filled the forms, application form, after you've attached your documents, the next step is to pay your application fee to complete the process. So as you can see here, it says application fee unpaid. So you click on continue. Once you click on continue, it brings you to the payment page. On the payments page, it states that all our international students who are applying to NPU should pay an application fee of 100 US dollars, which is approximately 600 Chinese yuan. So there are three payment options, which is the code scanning payment, and you can use either Alipay or WeChat service. That is if you are within China and you have those services. However, if you don't have the opportunity to use Alipay or WeChat payment platforms, you also have the credit or debit card, either a Master's card or a Visa card. If you are outside China, if you are within China, you also have a China Union Pay card. You can use that to pay directly. And the third option is the bank transfer payment. So with the bank transfer payment, you go to the bank and with these details, you are able to pay directly. If you are within China, you use the second option, that is the bank name, the bank account, the bank address. However, if you are outside China, you need more details like the SWIFT code, the bank address, the beneficiary bank, account number, and all that to pay. So once you are done, you upload your receipt here and then fill in the other details. However, in this year, we have the discount for the application fee. So to obtain a discount, you participate in any of our live webinars. If you are able to successfully get a discount, for example, a 100 Chinese yuan discount, it means you have to pay 500 for your application fee. If you get a 50 yuan discount, it means you have to pay 550 Chinese yuan. So what do you do in that case? If you get a discount, when you come here, you upload your receipt. So for example, I get a discount of 100 Chinese yuan. What I'm going to do is I'm going to upload my receipt of 500 yuan paid at the bank and also my discount coupon. So the discount coupon will be given to you once you obtain it through the live webinars. So you upload both here. So for example, I'm just going to upload a receipt here. So my receipt is here. Yes, my bank receipt is here. So I'm just upload that. But if you have a coupon, you make sure you put them in one file and then you merge them into one file with the bank receipts and then you upload. Now the sender's name, I'm going to put in another name here just for demonstration purposes. Choose your country, which for me it's Ghana. Manual remitter, that is the student that actually paid or whoever paid for the application fee at the bank. So if it's someone else, the person can put you can put the person's name there. And then the student name, the one applying for must be the applicant's name. You also put it there. The passport number also is there. And then at the remittance remark, you state your name and an application fee, for example, and discount coupon, application fee and discount coupon, and then you put your name there, John Green. If you want, you can add masters application, anything that would make your coupon also be distinct or your application fee receipt, anything that it will help in that you can put here. But to emphasize again, the money remitter is the one who paid. If it's not you, it can be the person who paid's name. but the student name must be the applicant's name, just as it is in the portal. So once you are done with this, you click the submit button. Once you click the submit button, this particular dialog box pops up. It says in the pop-up payment page, to complete your payment, the system will receive the payment information sent by the third party. If you encounter any problem, you can contact that and click in complete. If you've finished your payment, you can click complete. So in this case, I have finished my payment, so I'll click complete. Good. So you can see that the on the portal, my it says that application fee payment to be confirmed. So the admission office will verify the details and cross-check if the payment had gone through, and if it goes through, and then everything else is good, you can it will be reviewed, and then from there the process starts. Your application has fully been submitted, or your application process has been completed. So from there it will be a review process, and that continues to the final stage. You can also preview your application form here. Just a download. You can open it just to see if everything you filled in here has been recorded. Yeah. So that is how to pay your application fee with the Alipay platform or the WeChat platform. That is the code scanning within China. If you are outside China, you can use the bank payment option. That is the first option, being using a credit card or a debit card. If you're also in China, you can use the Union Pay card. However, there's also the last option, which is the bank transfer. And with the bank transfer, you have the option of using the bank receipt with a discount coupon. So if you win a discount coupon, the only way you can pay the application fee is through the last option, the bank transfer, where you have to go to the bank and get a bank receipt of the payment. And then you can add your coupon. If you use either the code scanning or the credit card or debit card, it's very difficult to add the coupon. So you have to use the bank transfer if you have a coupon. However, if you don't have a coupon, you can use any of these platforms.